I mean, that's just my life. I just don't like having to plan anything. I just like doing. I'm a doer. I'm not a planner, I'm a doer. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Petra, and today I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I just decided to sit down and film with my really bad fried looking hair, so I just threw my hair up in a headband, and I don't know, I'm just feeling like not with it right now. So I decided to film something, and I think what I'm gonna film is something for people that are maybe in their like mid-30s, maybe getting ready to hit 40, which I am very soon. I'm gonna turn 40 next month. But anyways, I just feel like I gotta keep away from that feeling old thing that, like, you know, we tend to be like, oh, I'm getting so old. And I don't live my life like that. So I'm like, every time I catch myself thinking that or saying that, I try to remind myself that I'm not old and that I can continue to live my life young. I may need to, you know, my body's gonna, you know, age and whatever, but you know, when you keep the mind thinking young, I swear you stay younger as well. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do a makeup look that's fun, not boring, because, you know, I just feel like, you know, we get older and we think that we can't do fun makeup looks. So I'm gonna do something fun and we're gonna see where it goes, and then you can see that you can do fun makeup looks as you get older as well. All right, so now I'm gonna quit blabbing. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm just gonna do my base makeup really quick and zoom you guys through. So let's go ahead and do that first. All right, you guys, so basically I'm back after I realized I wasn't recording the video. I love it when that happens. I was like, I went to focus something and I was touching the screen to make it focus, and then it took a photo of me instead. So that's not what's supposed to happen. So anyways, my face is done now. So I guess you did get a real zoom through. What I was talking about and then realized I was not being recorded was something I bought when I was in Spain. It was at the Kiko Milano store, I believe, and it's one of these products here. It is this color lasting creamy eyeshadow, and this one is what this one looks like. It's like this very cool copper, like orangish red shade, and it's just number 3, but it's the color lasting creamy eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with that as a base first, and I think I'm gonna go in with my Linda Hallberg brush, because I really like how her brushes like blend out things. So I'm gonna go in with that shade all over my lid. Oh man, oh that's nice. So I'm gonna go in and then kind of like blend it and take it out, like really out. Whoa, whoa. Less is more, Petra. Less is more. So I'm gonna try and be gentle because this is obviously like really pigmented and creamy. So as you get older too, like your eyes, like the skin up here will tend to fall down a little bit more, which, you know, that's just what happens with life. Things tend to fall down and droop a little more. But so what I do for my eyes is, since this sinks back more, is I like kind of take my crease up a bit higher. So, and then this is a shimmery shade. Some people may not like shimmery shades depending on, you know, the texture on your eyelids, but you can always use, you know, some shade that's similar, that's maybe a matte shade. It won't show up, you know, it won't get into the wrinkles as much. You know what, as long as it doesn't look terrible. I like using shimmers, I like using glitters. I'm gonna use them until I really feel like it's just looking treacherous. I got a couple Pat McGrath palettes because, you know, they've just been my favorite lately, and yeah, they're a little bougie. They're a little bougie, I'm not gonna lie. But there's some beautiful shades in here. I'm gonna go in with this purple shade. It's called Night Creature is the name of this shade right here. And I am going to take that with a Linda Hallberg 305 brush. I'm just gonna kind of take it out. It's a little better patting it on as opposed to just like rubbing it on. Don't rub it on because that'll like definitely create problems. Okay, I'm gonna take a blank clean brush, and I feel like color needs to be just blended out just a little bit, just to soften the edges some. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's a VR pink. So we're just gonna keep patting this on. I'm gonna go in now with this shade. It is called Astral Ghost Orchid. It's this white shade right here. We're gonna put that on the center now because that'll kind of lighten up the pink in the center a little bit more. We're just gonna take that original Linda Hallberg blending brush I had, and we're just gonna blend just a little bit just to kind of get some of the colors like merged together here in the crease. Okay, once again I am back because my camera battery decided to die. So I'm gonna try and get through this before my camera battery and my card fills up. So I'm gonna have to zoom a little faster. Okay, so while I was sitting here, I was playing with my makeup a little bit. So I went in with the Mothership Decadence 4 palette, and I went into this shade right here, and it is called Blue Blood. So I thought my outer corner needed a little bit of deepening, so if you can see that, so I took that out. And then I'm going to do that on the other eye. And just kind of bringing it like a third of the way in. I didn't want to go all the way in, but I wanted a little bit more depth on the outer corner there. So then I wanted a little bit more of a pop on this part of my eye right here. So I'm going to go in with one of these Stila. These are the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow. Really like this shade. It is called Sea Siren. I think it's one of their older shades, but I'm gonna go in with that kind of carefully, but I'm gonna put that like right in here on the corner, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it. I don't want to put a ton because I want to keep kind of this cool purplish pink thing going on, but I want a little bit more of a glow there. So before that dries, going back in with this Linda Hallberg brush a little bit and just kind of tapping in the corners and blending out the edge there. I'm going in with the VR pink shade. That was that like soft, it was just like glittery, but it's kind of like a topper shade. I'm just kind of patting that. So for the under eye, I'm going to go underneath with going back in with the Subversive palette and this shade right here, the Night Creature shade. And I am going to take a pencil brush. This is my MAC something or other. It's just a pencil brush by MAC. I can't remember this one. And I'm going to go into that Night Creature shade. And I'm going to go underneath. And then I didn't feel like that was quite enough, so I want to go in with something kind of fun. This shade is called Blitz Amythyst, and it's this like duochrome blue purple shade. I'm going to take that also underneath, pat it along my waterline here. I'm going to go in with this, just this Luxie Precision shader brush. I'm going to go into the shade, this shade right here, called Skinshow Fever, and then I'm just going to kind of put that up. Tap it in. I'm going to go off camera to put on lashes. I don't think I'm going to do any liner for this look, but I'm going to do mascara and lashes, and then we will finish up the look with highlighter and blush when I come back. Hey guys, we are back and I have put on lashes. I am going to now add blush and highlight and lip. I'm just going to do a little more subtle on the cheeks and highlight because, you know, if you have more mature skin, you do want to be more careful with highlight because some of them can really get into more fine lines and wrinkles. And then blush, I'm just going to keep it kind of soft. This eye look may be a bit much for some people, but you know what? If you can do it, do it. You shouldn't be afraid of color and doing something fun as you get older. So that's just my little tip there. I haven't gone in with this one for a while. This is the Milani Powder Blush in Tea Rose. So that's what it looks like right there. It's just kind of a nice soft whatever pink. And I'm just going to take this Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to do just a little bit of blush. Okay, a little bit on the nose. And then I'm going to do highlight, and for some reason it's been calling my name, this White Raven shade, which you can't tell is like got a translucent kind of, I don't know, it's got like a cool shift to it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it looks fun. So I'm going to go in with this Morphe M501 and we're just going to dust a little bit of this on the cheeks. And I like it because it's really a soft, subtle purpley glow. And you could get the same effect with this and the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. There's a shade in there, I believe, the purple one, and you would get kind of the same effect. But this, I would say this is almost a dupe because this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and it's the Gothic collection, I believe. So yeah, so see, it's kind of fun. I like that. And for lips, I am going to go in with a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is in the shade Can. I'm going to put that on first. I like these a lot. Just feel like I just need to use liners and that's it. So I try to overdraw. Just turns to crap. But I'm going to put this gloss over the top, this Buxom. This one is in the shade Star. So it's just this Buxom lip gloss. Came in one of those kits. I'm still using it. So I'm going to put that over the top. I think that'll add a little more purple to it. Okay, now that my lips are all glossed up and I can't go drink water now because I have lip gloss all over my face. I swear I hate that. That's what I hate about lip gloss. It's like, can I have a lip gloss that does not get all over my drinks? I don't know if that exists. So, and it's like, I need to be drinking water every day. Like all day, every day. I don't want to get the crap all over my glasses. It just looks so gross. This is the finished look. See, I feel like it's still like kind of glammy and, you know, it's not totally overdone. It might be a little overdone for some, but you know, I can't help it because I like to do fun things with my face. So this is it, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and getting there, and I hope that you're inspired to not stay with the same humdrum, boring looks. Add a little bit of color to your life. Add some life because, you know, you're still living, and, you know, even though we age and things start to kind of fall apart a little bit, whatever. Just stop thinking about it and start thinking about the things that make you happy. So that's it. That's all I got. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.